Hello friends, myself Rohit and welcome all of you on Rohit Tech Studies channel. So dear friends, today I have a topic that how to scroll text or image up, down, left or right automatically by using HTML language. To scrolling text or image, use marquee tag. The marquee tag is a non-standard HTML tag which was used to create a scrolling text or an image. This is the syntax of marquee tag. The HTML marquee tag also supports the following additional attributes. Number 1, behavior. Number 2, busy color. Number 3, height. Number 4, width. And number 5, H space. And number 6, V space. And number 7, loop. And number 8, direction. And number 9, scroll delay. And number 10, scroll amount. So dear friends, now we see this practically on Notepad. So dear friends, our text scrolling is successfully running. Now we create scrolling image left, right and up and down side. First of all, we add some images from our directory. To add image in HTML page, copy image address from directory and write image's name. If you don't know that how to copy address from directory, you see my last HTML video. Now take one by one images address from directory as well as. We already write down all images address on Notepad, so now select all images address and just copy on next marquee tag. So dear friends, I hope that all of you understand that how to scroll text or image up, down, left or right automatically by using HTML language. So dear friends, don't forget to subscribe, like and press the notification bell icon so that you will get updates of next video.